northeastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. 6:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Holly, or 9 miles southeast of Holmesdale, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mechanicston, Poppet, Shahala, Tustin, Hawley, Elder, Greeley, Highland Lake, Twin Lakes, and Kimball's. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: Pennsylvania, in Sullivan, New York,